What's up, y'all? I got some Tamarack Pros here in an all new blue color. Let's check them out. Looking beautiful. I got some crunchy leaves out here today. Tamarack 103. Tamarack Pro. Do a little comparison to the old Tamarack, which is a staple in the kayak community, the affordable recreational kayaks and fishing kayaks. The angler editions were always really popular. They made them in that army green and tan, and they made Tamaracks in every other color: yellow, orange, red, blue, green. And now they do this swirl finish in the plastic. I think it's just the top layer, but beautiful kayaks. The seat alone is a great improvement on this kayak. Super comfy. It gets you up off the deck, which was kind of a complaint with the other Tamarack, which was an awesome kayak, don't get me wrong. But it has scupper drains down here, but this gets you up off the floor of the kayak. It doesn't raise your center of gravity that much. And this seat is super adjustable. You can see it's got 2 straps going across the back this way. 2 at the top you can adjust. 3 down here you can adjust. That goes all the way through. You can crisscross them or tuck them in or do whatever, but there's 3 more up here. And you can really get that seat adjusted the way you want it to. Then it's got the 2 side straps as well. But this is a game changer kayaking. Everybody knows that kayaks usually come with a seat that needs some work, or needs a pad, or needs something, or doesn't have anything. And boats are that way. They always need something, but kayak seats in particular always need some help. But not in this case. These are set up, ready to go. You don't have to do anything to it. Really comfy. And if you're fishing, it makes it so you can sit for a lot longer time without numbing out, or getting sore or something like that. So definitely good for the fishing setup, which this is. Also going to the gear racks on the new Tamarack. Gear tracks, whatever you want to call them. You can put multiple things on here. It came with the fishing rod holder from the factory, and that fits in there. But of course, you can get all kinds of other accessories to clip onto there. Makes them versatile. You can put them in the front, you can put them in the back. Still has the under deck storage on it here, and you'll open that up and you can see now there's kind of a little cap in here, a little cup that pops out, and you can take it out and it still goes down underneath the whole kayak. But they just added this little basket here. And of course, if you're putting your phone in there, always put it in a baggie too. You always want to waterproof your phone by itself, and then maybe put it in a storage compartment or something like that, just in case some water would get in there. But anyways, Tamarack Pro. It's a little longer, 3 inches longer. The other one was 10 feet even. The weight capacity is up because of that. It's 300 pounds on this. It was 275 on the previous Tamarack. This one is a little heavier. It's 57.5 from the factory with just these options on it. And the old Tamarack was 51 recreational, I think, maybe 53. So just a few pounds heavier. In carrying it, I cannot tell a difference between this and the older Tamarack. So the weight difference isn't that much, but the 300 pounds will get you a little bit more performance, a little bit more room for extra gear. But a great looking kayak. A lot of up the line features, things that are only available on more expensive kayaks, like these gear tracks, this form of seat. They've upped the finish on it a little bit. It's just feels a little thicker and a little more solid. They added this fish scale, which is kind of cool. You can see that. It looks like fish scales, and it's all over the top of the thing. It really looks cool, almost bass boat-esque. But you can see the color scheme looking sweet on this. These foot pegs are adjustable. You can still clip them like the old ones down here if you want to adjust them. But it has this little piece. You just reach down. If you just want to change your foot position, you can just reach down and pull it up with your hand here. You don't have to lean all the way forward, which is a chance to tip over or lose some gear or something. But a lot easier to adjust the pedals on the fly. Not pedals, but foot pegs. And they're even marked too. Usually you got to put one up and then put the other one up, and then they're not quite equal and you got to get them adjusted. But on this one, you just pull it up and say, okay, we're going to go to 9 on both of these. Boom, we're done. See that? And it's got a place so you can measure that bass or whatever you're catching. Measure it real quick on the floor of the kayak, so they're not telling any fish stories. Beautiful kayaks. For years, has been an award winner. Looking great in the sun here on this fall day. Lifetime Tamarack Pro 103. Get a little close up for you of this color scheme. It's like aqua and dark blue, really cool. Got paddle holders on each side too. Nice convenient feature. Pretty easy to carry with the handles. I sometimes use the scupper drains as handles underneath. Took some good still pics I'll put in there, guys. If you're looking for one, great way to get a nice, really nice fishing kayak for not a lot of money. Save a lot of money over the premium stuff on these. Thanks for watching, y'all.